Hello everyone, this is Nisha Sharma. Hope you all are well and good and fit as well. So students, my today's video is for the students of 5th standard, and today in this class I'll be teaching you Good Morning Dear Students poem. It's a very beautiful poem which is written by Ken Nesbitt, and in the beginning just need to read. You also read at home, but today in my class I'll read out the entire poem for you all, and then after I'll give you a short summary as usually I give, so that you'll be able to understand the poem in a good way. So first I'm going to read it out. Now see the poem it is given. Okay, first let us read this. See a few lines written over here. Like, we often ask for the impossible and dream of fantastic things that never come true. What are some of the things you wish for? What things would a person who doesn't like school hope for? It's like, means हमेशा हम ऐसी चीज़ें चाहते हैं जो कि मतलब ऐसे सपने देखना चाहते हैं जो कि मुमकिन ना हो, है ना. जैसे फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आप बच्चों को कार्टून देखना बहुत पसंद है, और कार्टून देखते देखते कभी कभी आपके माइंड में क्या आता है, वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपको एनिमेटेड दिखती हैं कार्टून में, जो भी आप देखते हो, तो आप चाहते हो क्या कि काश ऐसा रियल लाइफ में हो जाता, हम भी ऐसे करते. किसी सुपर हीरो की स्टोरी देखते टाइम आपको ऐसा लगता है कि काश हमारे पास ऐसी मैजिकल पावर होती, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल रिलेटेड अबाउट दैट. So now let's begin with the poem. You can also do one thing. You can make a list of all those impossible impossible dream of fantastic things, and you can keep it with you, or you can send it to me, so that I'll also come to know what are all those impossible dreams and the fantastic things which you want to be happen with you. Okay, so let us begin with the poem. Good morning, dear students, the principal said. Please put down your pencils and go back to bed. Today we will spend the day playing outside, then take the whole school on a carnival ride. Now, what is carnival ride? A fun means like a fun fair carnival usually have rides like the giant wheel, जो बड़े से here you can see this is called carnival ride. It's not a giant wheel, because giant wheel is usually very और भी ज़्यादा ऊंचा होता है. So anyways, I'll explain it to you later on. First I just want to read it out. We'll learn to eat candy while watching TV and listening to records and swing for a tree. We'll also be learning to draw on the walls, to scream in the classrooms and run in the halls. Oh my God, so nice it is. अगर बच्चों को ऐसा मिल जाए कि आपको पढ़ाई ना करना पड़े और आपको ये सब चीज़ की आपके प्रिंसिपल ने अगर छूट दे दी, तो obviously you are also going to feel awesome. So bring in your skateboard, your scooter, your bike. It's time to be different and do what you like. The teachers are going to give you a rest. You don't have to study. There won't be a test. And if you would prefer for a bit of a change, feel free to go wild and act really strange. Go put on a clown suit and dye your hair green and copy your face on the Xerox machine. Tomorrow it's back to the regular grind. Today just go crazy. We really don't mind. So tear up your homework. We'll give you an A. Oh wait, I'm just kidding. It's April Fool's Day. So students, it's a very beautiful story. And sorry, it's not a story. A beautiful poem. And those who have not exactly understood while I was reading, So I'll give you a short summary of this poem where you'll enjoy it more and more. So see students, you can see over here, this poem is an interesting experience for students. Here you can see, right? They are doing different activities, right? So like they had an interesting experience for students, as it allows them to imagine a day without studies in their school. And this poem, the principal asks students to put their pencils down and spend the day by playing outside the class. क्या है इस पोम में, जो बच्चे हैं उनके स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल ने उनसे क्या कहा है कि आज के लिए आप सब अपने अपने पेंसिल्स को छोड़ो और क्या करो कि आज बाहर जाकर के, क्लास के बाहर आज सिर्फ खेलो, है ना? He asked them to eat candy, watch television, make drawings on the wall, enjoy the swings you can see here, right? Run in the halls and bring their skateboards, see? Right? Scooter bike to ride. Okay. Then in the school itself. Furthermore, the principal asked the teachers to give rest to students and allow them to do whatever they like, as there won't be any test and students need not to study for the same. And for that they won't give deduct their marks, or nothing is going to happen like that, and they're going to give everyone A, right? You can see here, we'll give you an A. Okay. The principal also allowed the students to dye their hair green or wear a clown suit, act crazy and go wild. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को हर चीज की परमिशन दी गई है, बस उनको ये बोला गया है कि आज तो आप सबकी छुट्टी और आप लोगों को पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. आप लोग झूला झूलो, टीवी देखो, आप लोग स्केटबोर्ड, अपने स्कूटर, अपने बाइक पे राइड करो. ओके. एंड आप लोग अपने बालों में कलर लगाओ, क्लाउन सूट पहनो, एंड कल आप लोग फिर से अपने रेगुलर वाले, जैसे सिस्टमैटिकली पढ़ाई होती है, सब कुछ होता है, वैसे वापस से करेंगे. बट आज के लिए यू कैन डू वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक, यू कैन एक्ट क्रेजी, यू कैन गो वाइल्ड, वॉट एवर. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स को पूरी तरीके से अपने मर्जी से जीने के लिए छोड़ दिया जा रहा है, छूट मिल रही है उन्हें. और ऐसा कौन कह रहा है? द प्रिंसिपल. खुद प्रिंसिपल ने ऐसा कहा है, और बच्चे बहुत ही खुश हो जाते हैं. But see, at last, what happened? But at the end, in the poem, at the end of the poem, what it is this thing? Tomorrow it's back to the regular grade. Today, just go crazy. ये बोलने के बाद क्या बोला गया है? So tear up your homework. We'll give you an A. यहाँ तक तो स्टूडेंट्स बहुत खुश होते हैं. उसके बाद जो लास्ट वाली लाइन है, just see this. Oh wait, I was just kidding. It's April Fool's Day. तब प्रिंसिपल ने बोला, the principal disclosed what? To the students that he was just kidding with them as it was April Fool's Day. और उनको बस फूल बनाया जा रहा था, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी ऐसी परमिशन नहीं दे सकते. और इसी वजह से principal was also trying to make them fool, because what it is April Fool Days. Okay, it was a April Fool's Day, है ना? तो इसलिए बच्चों को भी थोड़ा सा फूल बनाया गया. But exactly all these things were not meant for them. Okay, so hope you have understood this poem, and also you have enjoyed. So if also you have any doubt, you can ask me. You'll be getting all the question answers and book work, notebook work, whatever is there in the PDF form. So do it in your fair notebook and finish your work, as well as you learn the first 8 lines of this poem along with the name of the poet. Okay, so we'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.